Boo! I'm Bodge. I wonder who's playing in Giggly Park today. Huh?
And this is the playground. It's where I come to play with all my friends. It's fun.
Mia's chit-chatting to a box.
I like the swings best. Do you like the swings?
Hi, Mia. Why are you chit-chatting to a box?
Hi, Bodge. I'm not talking to a box. I'm talking to my pet insect. It's inside the box.
You've got a pet insect?
Yes. It's my very first pet ever. I found him flying around Giggly Park. Do you want to meet Stuart?
Show me.
Here he is.
Hello, Stuart.
Oh, no, he's getting away. Come back, Stuart.
Oh, no, he's buzz flapping too fast.
Please come back. Come back. Stuart! Oh, gone. My little Stuart, gone.
Oh, poor you.
I really loved my pet, and now I'll never see him again.
Huh?
Hi, Bodge. What's wrong with Mia?
Her first ever pet buzz flapped away.
And I'll never, ever see my little pet ever again.
Well, this will cheer you up, Mia. You can see all sorts of creepy crawlies with my Mega Magnifier 850. Ooh!
Hey, Mia, it's Stuart.
Stuart?
My pet! Oh, let me see! Me! Oh, this one has 2 black spots on its back. Stuart has 3 spots. Oh,
Don't be down, Mia. We can search for him using Gavin's Mega Maggly Fire.
My Mega Magnifier?
but he could be anywhere.
Then let's look everywhere. It'll be fun. We're all going on an insect safari.
Yay! Whee!
Oh, it's no good. We've looked everywhere.
Mia, over here.
Oh, let me see. Nope, 6 spots.
They love this funny-looking plant.
This has 5 spots. And this has... 1.
Not 3.
We're not giving up yet, Mia. Let's go to Mr Cloppity's allotment. There's lots of insects there.
Ooh.
Here's another one. They like these vegetables.
Let's see. Nope, 4 spots, not 3.
Ooh, a butterfly.
Ew. A wiggly worm. But no Stuart.
Hey, look.
Where?
There. 1 spot.
2 spots.
3 spots. It's Stuart, my special pet.
You better put it in your box before it flies away again.
Oh, yes. It's time to come home, Stuart.
Oh, hello, you three.
Hello, Mr Cloppity.
What are you doing this fine day?
We've been on an insect safari.
Searching for Mia's pet.
And I found him. Right here.
Oh, a little ladybird.
That's a funny name.
His actual real name is Stuart.
Oh, ladybirds do so much good work. They keep flowers like my geraniums healthy and happy. Insects, the guardians of Giggly Park. A buzz in the brambles, a flutter in the forest. Tiny, busy creatures flying all around us. So wee and so free.
I'll bet Stuart really loves being free too, Mia.
Oh, yes. Mr Cloppity's right. I can't put you in a box, Stuart. You've got work to do in Giggly Park.
Well done, Mia. You know you've done the right thing.
Wow, he loves Mr Cloppity's flowers.
And his vegetables and the sunflowers in Giggly Park.
And the plants in my hothouse. A ladybird always feels at home there.
I just wanted him to feel at home in his box. But I suppose it's no place for a ladybird to live. I'm going home without Stuart.
I know. I'll take her this geranium. Stuart might then visit her once in a while.
But Stuart will fly off to all the other places he likes.
Then why don't we take all the places Stuart likes to Mia? I've just had a BojABoom idea. I'll need your help, Mr Cloppity.
Huh?
And Gavin, can you cheer up Mia till we get to her house?
Okay. Mia!
Mia's little pet ladybird needs to fly